What's up, guys? It's your boy Drew Hill. I am back again with another video for you guys. Do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel if you want to see more content like this, some cool amazing car builds. I am on my way back to Phillips Performance. We're going to be working on my 1993 Toyota Supra Turbo. Today is super exciting because we're putting in a RPS Billet Carbon Fiber Clutch today. Really excited about this because the power that I was making before, the clutch was slipping, so replace the clutch, and this should be able to hold the power no problem because it's up to 1200 horsepower. So spend some good money on this clutch, and excited to put it in. So I'm going to do step by step today with Tony, and show you how it goes, so stay tuned for that. Alright guys, I'm back here at Tony's Performance. Tony is moving at the speed of light right now. He's already doing the intercooler piping. Got a Lexus here, IS300 with the 2JZ swap in it. Tony, why are you moving so fast?
You gotta do what you gotta do, man.
You gotta do what you gotta do. He's trying to get this car out of here.
Out of here, man.
It's been here for a while. See here, everything comes with this. The flywheel, aluminum flywheel, can hold up to 1200 horsepower. So way more than I'm gonna be making, but got it there if I need it.
All right, so now we are taking the shifter out.
All right.
It's been part of in the top already gone out. So taking the bottom, pulling the drive shaft off, and we'll start pulling the tranny out, which will start with the bell housing, bolts, slave cylinder out. We'll let you know on the way going there.
I don't know about you, but it has to be the most hottest day of the year today. I think it's like 90 degrees plus. But we got the transmission mount out and we're about to drop the tranny right now. And you know, I even forget what the clutch that I have in there is, but I know it was slipping in third gear. So all right, Tony, what did we just do?
We release the clutch from the flywheel, so it make it easy to come down, so it doesn't hit the firewall. E160's out. I guess it was a good thing you got this when you got it. Now you couldn't afford it if you want to buy one, man.
Right?
That's for sure. See, that's why straps.
These things cost a fortune now. 2 straps?
That's why 2 straps is not, still not enough.
You gotta protect the investment. You gotta protect the investment. Can't fall.
That's it.
Tony, you said this is light, right?
It is light. Same weight. The whole clutch with the flywheel, almost the same weight as the stock flywheel.
So we're reducing weight here at least.
Putting the new flywheel now.
Alright.
Well,
you gotta grease it up.
no, you gotta lock tight.
Lock tight.
Too much power so it doesn't fly out, you know? So we got 90. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Get it all in there.
Yeah. You gotta lick it.
Before you.
Yep, exactly.
This small ass fan is the only thing saving us right now, okay? Look at the size of this. Tony,
Yes.
it's time for an upgrade. I think you need to get a Dyson.
That thing small was work.
I think you need to get a Dyson fan. Hey, Tony, are you done with me?
Yes, sir.
All right.
No more.
I'm done with you too. All right, guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe this channel and tune in for the next one.